Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make your casual photos look more professional using this reimagine feature. Select your image, go to the edit image section and select magic edit. You're going to either select brush or click. I'm just going to hopefully be able to use the click one so it's more simple. But I think it's a little bit easier to do the brush if you just want to edit only like a little bit. So I only want to edit her outfit here. I'm just going to try to do it quickly and not like very neat because I don't have a lot of time. I might erase some stuff here and then, but her outfit doesn't actually look super casual, but this is just an example, so just trying to do this as fast as I can here. Then I'm going to type in, for instance, like business pink coat, blazer. Then I'm going to select generate here, and it's going to generate an outfit hopefully for me. It's going to take a few minutes to load. And as you can see, editing faces, hands, or legs isn't intended. And it will show me like these results. I'm going to select this one for instance, and I'm going to select done. And as you can see, it changed her outfit. I could be like more neat because of the brush. It's not super neat, but yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!